Everyone. Hope everyone's doing great. My name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So, thank you so much for joining me today. And today's topic, we're going to talk about, the root cause of money problems or financial problems. Now, right now, we're going through a very critical time in human history with technology, with inflation, with economy, and all sorts of crazy things going on in the world. And it's very easy for us to fall victim to what's going on in the world right now. So this video is just my own opinion. This is just my own understanding of what I feel is the cause of financial problems for most people, including myself. So it all starts with our upbringing. Okay, we're not taught how to handle money, how to earn money, how to, have a good relationship with money. Okay, because money is a tool. Okay, like every tool, it depends on how you use it. Just like a hammer. A hammer can be used for good things and it can be used for bad things. So money is also a tool. And it all depends on how we handle or use the tool that determines where we end up in life. And unfortunately, for most of us, we're not taught how to handle money, how to earn money. Okay. And that's what creates most of the problems. So most of the issues that we have with money today stems from mismanagement. Now, anytime you have mismanagement of any resources, you're definitely going to have some problems. So money, like everything else, has to be managed. Okay. You have to manage money and you have to have the right mindset and the right, knowledge to be able to handle your money right. So I would say most money problems stems from mismanagement. And if you don't know how to manage your money, you will definitely have issues with money. All right. So it all starts with, managing your money right. And one of the best things that you can do for yourself is to sit down and create a budget. I know that sounds, repetitive. You hear this all the time, create a budget, create a budget, create a budget. Well, there's a reason why, okay, you have to create a budget because a budget gives you structure. Okay, it tells your money where your money needs to go and also what it's supposed to do for you. So if you, are in a situation where you are mismanaging your money, the first thing for you to do is to create a budget. So once you create a budget for yourself, then you now have structure. You now have a way to, direct and manage your money. Okay, a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Okay, I have some videos I have made in the past on how to create a budget. There are other creators on YouTube that have also spent time on different ways to budget your money. Okay, so it's all up to you which techniques or which method you want to use to budget your money. So this video is not about budgeting, but also it also has to do with how to manage your money. And how to manage your money stems from, number one, you have to create a budget. Number two, you want to avoid lifestyle situations. Okay, most of us, we all have jobs or we all have businesses, and the more money we make, the more we feel we have to spend. No, the idea is you have to make sure that if you create your budget correctly, you should always have a surplus whereby you can invest the money. So the key for you is to make sure that you invest your money, okay, in income producing assets, all right, that will help you create more cash flow, more money, and then that way you can create your wealth and build wealth. Okay, so number one, you have to create a budget. Number two, you want to make sure that you are investing your money in income producing assets, which will in turn create more wealth for you. Okay, at the end of the day, the goal for everyone, okay, is to be at a position where you're financially independent, whereby you don't have to physically slave every day, okay, to earn an income, okay, because basically we all trade time for money. No matter what you do, trading time for money, okay, you work X amount of hours. I'm referring to the United States or wherever you might be right now, and you get paid in proportion to the amount of hours that you put into work. So the key is to make sure that while you're earning your income, you want to make sure that you are using the income right to create other sources of income whereby you don't have to put in too much hours and keep working for the rest of your life just to make money. So the key is to make sure that whatever you're earning, you're also investing the money, okay, in income producing assets, real estate, the stock market, okay, you know, gold, silver, other alternative investments whereby you are creating more wealth for yourself. So I hope you found value in this video. And as usual, if you like my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so YouTube, will be favorable to this channel, okay, and help the algorithm help this channel grow. I'm just here trying to share great content with people on mistakes and things that I have done in the past, but also corrective actions that I'm taking in my personal life to get myself to the next level. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and also share this with someone who might be interested in or might be going through some financial situations right now. And this video might help them, give them a different perspective on what to do with their money. So thank you again. And like I said, I'll be sharing more content on this channel. And if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, I'm really open to that. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And I also have some resources down below that can be, useful to you. And those are some of the resources that I have used or I'm using currently to get myself, better financial position. So thank you again for joining me, and I'll catch you on my next video coming up. Take care. Bye-bye.